This is part 2 of the iPhone Hello World tutorial. In the previous tutorial we built a view controller, and this one will focus on Interface Builder. To open up Interface Builder, double click on the nib file MyViewController. Three objects are displayed: File Owner Proxy, First Responder Proxy, and a view. The file's owner represents the user interface object. An instance of MyViewController will be the file's owner. We will use the Identity Inspector to set the class identity. To view the class identity, select File's Owner, then choose Tools, and Identity Inspector. It's currently set as MyViewController. Currently, the only connection in MyViewController is the view outlet. You can view the file owner's connections by pressing Control, then select File Owner. Under Outlets, you can see the ViewController's view instance. Now we'll add user interface elements. Choose Tools, Library. In the Library window, select a text field, a label, and a button. Now enter a placeholder string in the text box. Double-click, enter your name. Resize the label so it extends to the whole size of the form. And delete the text label. Double-click, press the delete button. Then double-click the button and enter title Hello. Select the text field and in the inspector set the text alignment. And select the label and set its alignment also. Now we're going to make some changes to the text field. Select it and then over in text field attributes, for capitalized select words, keyboard type pop-up, select default, and in keyboard return key pop-up, select done. Next, we will return to the MyViewController header to specify outlets. Click on MyViewController.h, and inside the interface add these UI text field, text field, UI label, label, and a string, string. Next, you need to add a declaration for the change greeting and the property declarations for the instance variables. After the interface block, add this property, non-atomic, obtain, IB outlet, UI text field, and the property text field, property non-atomic, retain IB outlet again, UI label, a label property, finally property, non-atomic, copy, and a string. String. That should be a lowercase t. And finally the declaration for the action method, change greeting. IB action. Change greeting. ID sender. IB action is a special keyword that tell Interface Builder to treat a method as an action for a target action connection. IB outlet is another keyword that will tell Interface Builder to treat an instant variable or property as an outlet. The view controller that we have here will also be the text fields delegate. To set up that, we put in UI text field delegate, and that specifies that the class will adopt that protocol. There's one more step for change greeting. In the implementation file of MyViewController, we need to add a stub for change greeting. We'll add IB action change greeting ID sender We've updated MyViewController with some properties and an action method. In the next tutorial we'll make the connection in Interface Builder.